Hello guys. Welcome to our channel, PC Error Fix. Seeing the error message operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus while trying to open any recently downloaded file from the web, or any of your stored files. Then in this video find out how to fix this irritating issue on Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. Below find out the solution that you need to try. Well, the error generally appears when your computer oversees a virus file. This means, if you have downloaded an infected file from misleading online links, there is a good chance of seeing the error message. Despite this, you may see the error even for a genuine file. Windows Defender might feel it has a virus or is infected due to coding mismatch, and the antivirus may trigger danger if a part of the code complies with its guidelines of vulnerable files. So, follow the fixes shown in the video and fix the problem in your case. Now, before starting with the detailed steps in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the bell to get notified when another video lands. Solution 1. Scan your system with the Antivirus Program. If you are seeing the error after downloading any file from the web, then there is a possibility that the file contains a virus. So, in this situation, scan your system with good third-party antivirus program. Also make sure to download the file from the trusted source. Get the download link of the security program in the description box. Solution 2. Disable Windows Defender. Now, if you are getting the error while trying to open any stored file, then disabling the Windows Defender may works for you. Click on the Win+I keys to open Settings. Tap on Update and Security. Click Windows Security tab. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Tap on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. On a newly redirected page, tap on Real-Time Protection to turn off Windows Defender. Now, after disabling, try opening the file to see if you still get the error. Solution 3. Disable Windows Defender from Registry. If still seeing the error, then disable Windows Defender from Registry. Editor may solve the error in your case. Click on the Windows icon. Search for Registry Editor. And go to address/local_machine. Then Software. Policies. Microsoft. Windows Defender. Find a registry entry called Disable Anti-Spyware and double-click on it. Rename the key Disable Anti-Spyware. And then double-click to see its properties. Put the value of data as 1 to disable Windows Defender. Come out of Registry Editor and restart your system to see the changes applied successfully. Solution 4. Completely turn off third-party installed antivirus. To resolve the error, it's advised to temporarily disable the program and check if the problem persists. Search and open Task Manager. Tap on the Startup tab on the main menu of the page. Choose the antivirus out of the list of running programs. Right-click on it and tap on Disable. Restart your system to see the new settings enforced. Solution 5. Add an exclusion list in antivirus. If disabling the antivirus program works for you, then we recommend using the exclusion lists, available both in Windows Defender and any modern third-party antivirus you are using. The process may vary for third-party antivirus, but we will show the steps for Windows Defender as follows. Open Windows Defender. Find Virus and Threat Protection option. Choose Exclusions. Choose to add an exclusion and choose the folder you want to exclude. Exit the page once the step is complete and reboot your system. So, these are fixes that work for you to solve operation did not complete successfully because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software error. Let me know in the comment section below if the fixes directed works for you. Also, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.